In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create financial reports in Xero P&L balance sheet, 5 minutes. First, sign into your Xero account. From the homepage, select Login, enter your email and password, and complete any authentication prompts. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your starting point for all reporting. We'll begin with the profit and loss, also called the income statement. From the dashboard, open Reporting and choose Income Statement, Profit and Loss. At the top of the report, set your date range so the results reflect the period you want. Common choices are the current month, a quarter, or year to date. For more insight, turn on comparison to last year. Choose 1 year as your comparison, then click Update. Xero will refresh the report to show revenue, cost of sales, operating expenses, and net profit right alongside the same period last year. This view is great for spotting trends, seasonality, and unusual movements. If a number looks off, click into that line to review the underlying transactions and confirm coding is accurate. If you report on a cash or accrual basis, make sure the basis matches what you or your accountant expect before you finalize. Now let's prepare the balance sheet. Return to the top menu, click Accounting, then Reports, and select Balance Sheet. Set the date to the point you want to report on, typically month end. To see how your position changes over time, open the Compare options and choose previous months, then click Update. You'll now see assets, liabilities, and equity in columns across the months you selected. Use this view to confirm that bank balances agree to reconciliations, receivables and payables look reasonable, inventory movement makes sense, and equity reflects profits, owner contributions, or dividends for the period. If something seems unusual, drill into the balances to investigate. When your reports look right, save or share them. Click Save as to keep a draft while you're still reviewing, publish a final version for stakeholders, or create a custom layout you can reuse so your formatting and filters stay consistent month after month. If you need to circulate or analyze further, select Export and choose the format that fits your workflow. Excel for detailed analysis, PDF for a clean, shareable document, or Google Sheets for collaboration. That's it. You signed in, built a profit and loss with a year-over-year comparison, produced a balance sheet with prior month columns, and saved or exported your results. Follow this flow each month to speed up your close and give your team clear, consistent financials.